He did not come from a family of entertainment giants, yet there was always something about him that captured attention instantly. With an exceptionally deep voice, striking visuals, and a personality that balanced warmth with determination, Felix didn't simply enter the competitive world of K-pop. He built a unique identity that made him one of the most recognizable idols of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on September 15, 2000, in Sydney, Australia, Felix's journey began far from the bustling entertainment industry of South Korea. Raised in a supportive family, he spent his early years enjoying sports, music, and creative activities. Known for his cheerful personality and strong sense of curiosity, he developed a growing interest in performance during his teenage years. Although he had no formal entertainment background, his passion and natural charisma set him apart. His life changed dramatically when he successfully auditioned for JYP Entertainment in Australia. Leaving behind family, friends, and the comfort of home, he moved to South Korea to pursue a dream that seemed both exciting and intimidating. The transition was not easy. Felix had to learn a new language, adapt to a different culture, and meet the demanding expectations of the trainee system. Years of intense training followed. Under JYP Entertainment, he worked tirelessly to improve his dancing, vocals, rap skills, and stage presence. His perseverance became evident during the survival program that formed Stray Kids. Despite facing challenges along the way, Felix demonstrated resilience and determination, earning his place in the final lineup. In 2018, he officially debuted as a member of Stray Kids. The group quickly attracted attention for their self-produced music, energetic performances, and distinctive identity. Within the team, Felix became instantly recognizable for his unusually deep voice, a characteristic that created a striking contrast with his youthful appearance. His unique vocal tone soon became one of the defining elements of Stray Kids' sound. As Stray Kids expanded their influence globally, Felix emerged as one of the group's most popular members. Through chart-topping albums, sold-out world tours, and record-breaking achievements, he played an important role in the group's international success. His ability to connect with fans across cultures was strengthened by his fluency in English and his approachable personality. By 2026, Felix is regarded as one of the most recognizable faces in modern K-pop. Industry professionals praise his stage charisma and versatility, while fans admire his humility, kindness, and dedication. His career reflects continuous growth, evolving from a trainee adapting to a new country into a global performer capable of commanding massive audiences. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects discipline and balance. He maintains demanding schedules involving rehearsals, recordings, international travel, and fitness training. Despite the pressures of fame, he often emphasizes personal growth, health, and maintaining meaningful connections with those around him. His fashion influence has expanded significantly over the years. Known for his elegant visuals and modern style, Felix frequently collaborates with luxury brands and appears at major fashion events. His ability to combine sophistication with youthful energy has made him a favorite among designers and photographers alike. While public interest often focuses on his personal life, Felix remains relatively private. He prefers directing attention toward music, performances, and creative development. Colleagues frequently describe him as hardworking, respectful, and deeply considerate of both fans and fellow artists. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects income generated through album sales, world tours, endorsements, merchandise, and various brand partnerships. Beyond financial achievements, he has established himself as an influential figure within both the music and fashion industries. What many people find most compelling is his authenticity. Whether interacting with fans, performing on stage, or sharing moments from daily life, Felix consistently projects sincerity and gratitude. This genuine connection has become one of the strongest foundations of his global popularity. Felix's journey is defined by perseverance and transformation. From a teenager in Sydney with ambitious dreams to an internationally recognized performer, his rise reflects courage, dedication, and unwavering commitment to self-improvement. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, talented, humble, and built for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a striking blend of composure, intensity, and unmistakable stage authority, Jennie Kim didn't simply debut in the competitive world of K-pop. She engineered a persona that balanced elegance and edge, transforming ambition and discipline into one of the most recognizable identities in global pop culture. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on January 16, 1996, in South Korea and raised for several years in New Zealand, Jennie's journey began far from the flashing cameras of Seoul's entertainment industry. Her early years abroad shaped her independence and global outlook. Exposure to different cultures strengthened her language skills and confidence long before she stepped into professional training. As a teenager, she joined YG Entertainment as a trainee, entering one of the most rigorous development systems in K-pop. The years that followed demanded discipline and endurance. She refined her rap tone, strengthened her vocal control, mastered choreography, and developed the composure required for large-scale stages. Her training period quietly built the duality that would later define her public image. In 2016, she officially debuted as a member of BLACKPINK. The group's explosive introduction quickly positioned them as a global force, and Jennie's confident rap delivery became a defining element of their sound. Her presence combined precision with controlled intensity, creating a contrast that audiences immediately recognized. Her performance style, sharp yet fluid, commanding yet refined, stood out in both high-energy tracks and more melodic moments. As BLACKPINK expanded internationally, performing at major festivals and dominating global charts, Jennie emerged as a central figure in the wave that propelled K-pop into mainstream Western markets. Her solo chapter marked another milestone. In 2018, she released the single Solo, which achieved major commercial success and reinforced her individual star power. The project highlighted independence and self-assurance, presenting a minimalist yet impactful concept that strengthened her brand identity. Rather than relying solely on group momentum, she demonstrated the ability to hold the spotlight alone. By 2026, Jennie is regarded as a versatile global performer and cultural influencer. Industry insiders acknowledge her brand awareness and consistency. Audiences connect with her poised authenticity, and luxury fashion houses recognize her as a powerful ambassador. Her career reflects strategic positioning, balancing group dominance with personal expansion. Off-stage, her lifestyle combines structure with selective visibility. She maintains a disciplined routine that supports performance readiness while carefully managing public exposure. Creative exploration, music development, and brand collaborations remain central to her focus. Her fashion presence mirrors her artistic duality. Closely associated with Chanel, she frequently appears at Paris Fashion Week and major luxury campaigns. Her style blends timeless silhouettes with contemporary boldness, allowing her to move seamlessly between concert arenas and couture front rows. While public interest often surrounds her personal relationships, she remains measured about what she reveals. She consistently redirects attention toward her work and creative projects. Within the industry, she is described as composed, detail-oriented, and deeply aware of her public narrative. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from global tours, solo releases, endorsements, and long-term luxury partnerships. Beyond financial success, she has secured lasting credibility and global cultural influence. What many find compelling is her balance of strength and restraint. She navigates intense scrutiny with controlled confidence, channeling pressure into performance. This calculated composure quietly defines her longevity. Jennie's journey is defined by precision rather than impulse. From a trainee navigating expectations to an international icon shaping music and fashion, her rise reflects resilience, clarity of vision, and disciplined growth. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, refined, strategic, and built to endure. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.